Suffering is neither just nor unjust.
คิดได้ครับเวลาผมเจอสมการแบบนี้ x ส่วน
Folks, we're enchanting this.
Mommy. Today I saw my friend having a new shirt at school. This shirt is so tight. Can I get a new one, please? It's fine, my son. It's fine. I'll get it for you.
Under the harsh sun, Mom Nai carries the parcel in hope for making money.
Here's your delivery.
Thank you.
She walks past the shirt shop as she realizes,
I still don't have enough. I have to make more money.
she has to keep working harder and harder for her son's dream.
I have to work harder.
Here's your salary.
I have enough now.
来一件400元很漂亮
Here's 400 baht. Thanks, sir. Mommy! Thank you! It fit me perfectly. Mommy, I'm too big now. I can't wear this anymore. We have no money left.
This looks horrible. No one can wear this.
Do you know that most parents struggle with this problem? The clothes that you just bought for a child half a year ago are now too small, so now you have to buy new clothes again and again. In fact, babies normally outgrow clothes every 2 months, and kids move to a larger size every 6 months, which has caused serious impacts on the environment from polluting water, air, and creating a large amount of waste each year. Did you know that the world produces 92 million tons of textile waste each year, which contributes to 10% of carbon emission and 35% of microplastics in the ocean? All these concerns mentioned earlier will be reduced if people consume less clothes. But how can you do that when your children are rapidly growing? So, let us introduce you to Expandi, a smart innovation that blends weft knitting with natural cotton yarn to create clothing that truly grows with your child. The expandable panels on the front and sides are the key to Expandi's flexibility. It is positioned where children's bodies naturally grow, for example, the chest and torso, making it adaptable to overall body changes. These panels can be stretched out, unlike other parts of the clothes. Using the weft knitting method, the fabric is created using horizontal loops of yarn, forming a spring-like structure. These loops are interconnected like a series of tiny springs, so when the fabric is pulled, the loops stretch out and then bounce back to their original shape. The weft knitting technique produces highly stretchable results when used with plastic-based yarns, or commonly known as synthetic yarn. However, to contrast with the weft knitting method, Expandi uses natural cotton yarn instead. Natural fibers like cotton have rigid polymer chains with strong intermolecular bonds like hydrogen bonds and cellulose or protein fibers. These strong bonds restrict the movement and sliding of polymer chains, limiting the capacity to stretch and recover. In contrast, synthetic fibers such as nylon, polyester are composed of flexible, long polymer chains, engineered to easily slide and reorient under stress, providing greater elasticity. When combining natural yarns with weft knitting, this creates a fabric that can stretch but does not return to its original shape. As a result, Expandi clothing can expand as the wearer grows, and once stretched, is not shrink back to tighten around the body like other stretchy fabrics, which means a greater comfort for kids wearing Expandi. Moreover, cotton yarn is also known for its softness, breathability, and most importantly, its durability, making it ideal for our product, which is designed to last longer, not only in size, but also in wear over time. Let's see how much our Expandi fabric can stretch. First, the width of the fabric is 7.9 centimeters. When it is stretched, the width becomes 12.2 centimeters. This is the equation we used to find the stretch percentage, and after calculation we got 54.43%. In conclusion, the expandable panels on our Expandi shirt can stretch up to 1.5 times its normal width. That means one shirt can fit up to 2 to 3 sizes. This extends the lifespan of the shirt from about 6 months to 1 to 2 years, which not only reduces consumer expenditure, but also decreases the amount of textile waste and carbon emission in the world. Therefore, compared to other existing solutions, Expandi shirts provide better hygiene and comfort than second-hand clothes, which is the main concern for parents, and are also more sustainable than adjustable pants, which only extend in length and do not adapt to the child's overall body proportions. In addition, some shirts made from stiff fabrics can maintain their shape, but these materials are uncomfortable, and the production process is also complicated, resulting in a higher price. For this reason, this shirt represents a new breakthrough in the fashion industry.
ก็เป็นถือว่าเป็นโซลูชันที่ตอบโจทย์ได้ดีประมาณหนึ่งเท่ากับว่าในช่วงระยะเวลาอย่างน้อยๆเนี่ย3-6 เดือนอ่ะก็สำหรับเด็กที่เหมือนโตวัยอ่ะก็สามารถจะไม่ต้องซื้อชุดใหม่ประจำได้ว่าตอนลูกเล็กๆเงี้ยก็เปลี่ยนไซส์เร็วบางตัวเนี่ยซื้อใหม่ไม่ทันได้ใส่เลยก็จำเป็นต้องซื้อใหม่แล้วอะไรประมาณนี้ค่ะ
ซื้อสิน่าจะมีคนสนใจเพราะว่าโอ้ยซื้อตัวเดียวใส่ได้ตั้งหลายเดือนใส่ได้ตั้งเกือบปีอะไรอย่างเงี้ยมันก็ประหยัดนะแล้วก็สามารถที่จะพรีเซนต์กับลูกค้าได้ว่าเฮ้ยซื้อตัวนี้มันถึงจะแพงนิดนึงแต่มันประหยัดนะมันใส่ได้ไปที6 เดือนเลย
Now, let's take a look at the financial side of our product. First, let's consider the production cost of one Expandi t-shirt. Using high-quality natural cotton yarn and the weft knitting technique, each shirt costs approximately 126 Thai baht to produce. If we supply these shirts to large clothing brands at a wholesale price of 300 Thai baht, it provides a profit margin for both sides. Brands can retail the shirt for 600 to 700 Thai baht, achieving around a 60% margin, while our production team still retains about 58% margin over manufacturing cost. Now let's take a closer look at the financial projection for Expandi. In the first year, our external costs, including machinery depreciation and maintenance, electricity and water for the production, are estimated to a total of approximately 243,750 Thai baht per month. Given our profit margin of 174 Thai baht per shirt, we would need to sell around 17,000 shirts in the first year just to cover these overhead costs. Looking forward, if we maintain the same sales volume, we project a potential annual revenue of 3 million Thai baht. Finally, by partnering with us, we can make a real environmental impact. In Thailand alone, textile waste generates around 350,000 tons of plastic waste each year. So if just 10% of the population uses Expandi, we could cut 17,500 tons of that waste and reduce carbon emissions by 100 tons annually. So what are you waiting for? Let's create a cleaner, greener future together.